Hi guys, it's Sandy here. I know it's been a hot minute and my hair even changed. That's how long it's been. Okay, but in my defense, I only did the cut last week and I am absolutely loving it. But I thought, you know what, let me check in with you guys, say hi, show you that I do still post here, okay? Just bi-weekly now, kind of. I've really been focusing on my TikTok because I have come to realize that is my main platform and that really is where most of my effort needs to go. But I'm going to do a fun little snack haul. I hope you find it fun. I ordered this stuff from Market Kokoro. They have like the best prices and sometimes they have stuff that the other stores just don't have. I'll put their store link in the description, but like, let's get into this. But can I just say, like, the Japanese and Korean chips are just superior in every single way. So I bought this Piron shrimp flavored cracker, but like, look here, it's a chip. It's like a puff chip, if you know what I mean. I've tasted this before and it's so crispy and so delicious. Kind of reminds me of those prawn shells that they sell at Woolworths, and I love that. So I love this. Little spicy kind of. And then I have this honey dipped Samyang snack. It's also like a chip, but like not a potato chip. But like it's crunchy and sweet and I absolutely love it. I tasted it for the first time in the snack box that the Haru box sells. If you also want to buy like Asian snacks but like in the form of a snack box, so you don't get to pick the stuff, it's kind of like in there, I highly recommend the Haru box. I'll put like a link down below. Their boxes are so affordable and they have so many nice snacks. I want to eat this now, but yo, self-control. Then I have this packet of honey butter crisps. I know this like seems so random, but the thing is, I've had the roasted honey butter almonds in the same brand and I love it. I am obsessed. Like, you don't understand when I say I have like this obsession with it, this honey butter flavor from this specific brand. So when I saw they have chips, I was like, yes, man. It feels and looks like Lay's, except the packet seems to be a bit more full, unlike Lay's. I said that. I have to taste this now. I really have to. That's nice. Look at that. It literally looks like Lay's. That's good. That is good. It almost, oh no, oh, and it's got a nice like buttery aftertaste. We need more honey butter flavored things in South Africa. Like, why isn't honey butter flavor a common thing here for like snacks and stuff? Like, I love honey butter. Imagine honey butter popcorn spice. Oh my word. It almost tastes like the sour cream and chives kind of Lay's, but not. But it's got like that type of sweetness. I don't know if you can see the chives. Then I got some tteokbokki. I saw this is a new brand that Market Kokoro got in. I was like 90 rand, I think, and this is a lot. This is a serving for 2 people, and it's like the hot flavor. So I'm really looking forward for this. I also had a craving for tteokbokki, like cheesy tteokbokki. Like, I'm gonna put cheese in this. I bought this one random Kit Kat. I don't even know what flavor it is, but anyway. And then I got 4 Korean sheet masks. I use like 1 Korean sheet mask a week, and I refuse to use anything that's not by like a Korean brand that I know. So these ones are by a brand called May Island, and then this one is the Innisfree bamboo mask. My face is very dry, and these types of masks are just great for hydrating. And so I always look for things that are going to hydrate them, and then I just randomly get them, so this will last me about 4 weeks. And then the main thing that I actually wanted, like the reason why I placed an order in the first place, everything else is just extras, is this 5, wow, it's heavy, this 5-pack of creamy Carabinero Samyang noodles. I love the pink packet of Samyang, I absolutely love it, and I've never tried this one before, which is kind of like an upgraded Carabinero one, because it's now creamy, so really looking forward to trying out that. I wonder if I should eat it on camera, or like, you guys tired of me eating noodles? I probably won't even suffer, because the pink packet one, you know, they're not like that spicy. Like, I like that level of heat. Enough to keep me excited, but not give me indigestion and put me in hospital type of vibe. And then I got this. I don't know what this is. It looks like those wafer stick things, but like not a stick. It's like a wafer with a cream filling. I don't know why I bought this. Okay, it's not like I feel for this. Maybe it was cheap. Anyway, and then the last thing. I was trying to look at the camera to see if I was recording or not. Because sometimes I don't hit the record button and I film a whole video. I think I hit the record button. Yeah, I think I hit the record button. It should be fine. My heart. This is the last thing. It's a 6-pack of Choco pies. Oh, I love Choco pies. Absolutely love these. Let me open this box. It's like a biscuity cake covered in chocolate, and then the center is marshmallow. So it's like 6 of these in here. Usually the stores selling like Asian snacks, they'll usually sell these individually, but then I saw they had the 6-pack here, so I was like, yeah. That was like a small haul actually. I didn't buy a lot of stuff. Lay's needs to make a honey butter flavor, please. The fact that I can't get this like at a normal grocery store or something, it really hurts me. Hurts me so much. If you have any video ideas for me, please comment down below. Please, please, please. Probably gonna do more unboxings soon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this short little video. I just needed to come in and check on you guys, like, what's crack-a-lacking. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below. Don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.